Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll see how to make quick and yummy veg cheese sandwich. So ingredients we need are brown bread, cucumber, tomato, coriander, green chillies, cheese slice and mayonnaise, and salt as per we need. So first take off the cucumber peel and chop them into round slices. And also take the tomato and chop them into round slices. Now we'll see the making of green chutney. So for this we need to add the coriander and the green chillies into a mixer and add a little bit of salt and grind it well into a fine paste. So these are the ingredients we need to keep it ready for making of the sandwich. So first take the pan and add a little butter onto the heated pan. So once the butter is melted, add the bread slices onto it and toast it until it becomes golden brown. And then you can keep it aside. Add green chutney to one slice of the bread and add mayonnaise onto the other slice of the bread. Spread it well. So then you can add the cheese onto the bread and also add cucumber and tomato slices to it and cut them into two halves and add ketchup and serve it hot, and your yummy sandwich is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share.